Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now you know I love space, and I love when we discover new things about it even more. And let me tell you, NASA's been busy. They've been making some seriously mind-blowing discoveries lately, the kind that makes you want to grab your telescope and stare up at the sky all night. From hints of life in the most unexpected places to galaxies so old they make the dinosaurs look like youngsters, these discoveries are about to rock your world. We're talking game-changing revelations about the universe and our place in it. So, buckle up, space cadets, because we're about to blast off on a journey through NASA's 5 most awe-inspiring discoveries. And trust me, you're not going to want to miss number 1. Okay, picture this. A lonely asteroid drifting through the vastness of space for billions of years. Sounds pretty ordinary, right? But this is no ordinary asteroid, my friends. This is Bennu, and it's carrying some extraordinary cargo. The building blocks of life itself. I'm talking about the essential components of DNA, the blueprint of life as we know it: adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, and uracil. These organic molecules, the fundamental ingredients that make you, me, and everything alive, have been found on this celestial traveler. Now you might be thinking, okay, cool, so what's the big deal? Well, this discovery throws more fuel on the fire of a mind-blowing theory: panspermia. This theory suggests that life on Earth and perhaps on other planets didn't actually originate here. Instead, it may have hitched a ride on comets and asteroids like Bennu, carrying these vital ingredients to our early planet billions of years ago. Think about that for a second. The seeds of life drifting through the cosmos, eventually finding fertile ground to take root and flourish. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring thought, one that makes you realize just how interconnected everything in the universe truly is. This finding rewrites our cosmic narrative. It tells us that the ingredients for life aren't confined to Earth but instead are scattered throughout the cosmos, just waiting for the right conditions to spark something incredible. It begs the question, if these building blocks arrived on Earth from space, could they have also seeded life elsewhere in the universe? Mars, the red planet, has always held a special fascination for us Earthlings. It's our closest planetary neighbor, and for decades we've been dreaming of sending humans there. And now, thanks to NASA's InSight lander, we have even more reason to believe that the red planet may not be so red after all. In fact, it might be hiding a secret beneath its dusty surface. Vast reservoirs of liquid water. I know what you're thinking. Water on Mars? Haven't we heard that before? And yes, we have found evidence of water ice on Mars before. But this is different. This is liquid water, and lots of it. What makes this discovery even more exciting is that where there's water, there could be, you guessed it, life. Now hold your horses, we haven't found any little green Martians swimming around just yet. But the presence of liquid water on Mars significantly increases the likelihood that microbial life, tiny organisms, might exist there, either now or in the past. Imagine for a moment the implications of finding even the simplest life forms on another planet. It would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history, fundamentally changing our understanding of our place in the cosmos. This discovery fuels our search for extraterrestrial life and brings us one giant leap closer to answering one of humanity's biggest questions. Are we alone in the universe? And personally, I think it would be pretty egotistical to think that we are. Get ready to have your minds blown because the James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful telescope ever built, has done it again. It's captured images of a galaxy so distant, so incredibly old, that it makes our own Milky Way look like a newborn baby. This galactic senior citizen, known as JWST 14-0, existed a mere 290 million years after the Big Bang. Let me put that into perspective for you. The Big Bang was about 13.8 billion years ago, and this galaxy was already chilling out when the universe was just a toddler. Before James Webb, our understanding of the early universe was like looking at a blurry photograph. But now, with James Webb's incredible vision, it's like someone cranked up the resolution to 4K Ultra HD. We are literally peering back to the dawn of time, witnessing the universe in its infancy. This discovery is a game changer for our understanding of how galaxies form and evolve. We used to think that galaxies took billions of years to assemble, but JWST 14-0 tells us that the universe was a much busier place than we ever imagined. This discovery is like finding a hidden chapter at the beginning of the universe's story, a chapter that completely rewrites our cosmic timeline. And who knows what other secrets this incredible telescope will uncover in the years to come. Remember our old friend Mars? Well, NASA's Perseverance rover has been busy exploring the Jezero crater, a place that scientists believe was once a vast lake billions of years ago. And guess what it stumbled upon? More evidence that Mars might have once been a happening spot for life. I'm talking about organic molecules, the building blocks of life as we know it. Now, before you get too excited, organic molecules don't necessarily mean life itself. They can be created by both biological and non-biological processes. But finding them in a place like Jezero Crater, a location that was once a watery haven, is incredibly tantalizing. It's like finding a fossil of a seashell on top of a mountain. It suggests that water, and potentially life, were once present in that environment. This discovery adds another piece to the Martian puzzle, suggesting that the red planet may have once been a much more Earth-like place, with conditions suitable for life to emerge. It's a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and that life, in some form, might be more common than we ever thought possible. So, after all these mind-blowing discoveries, you might be wondering, what's next for NASA? Well, hold on to your hats, folks, because the future of space exploration is looking brighter than a supernova. NASA has some seriously ambitious missions lined up that are sure to keep us on the edge of our seats for years to come. One mission I'm particularly excited about is the Artemis program. Remember the Apollo missions that landed the first humans on the moon? Well, Artemis is taking us back to the moon, and this time we're planning to stay. We're talking about building a sustainable lunar base, a launching pad for human exploration further into our solar system. And speaking of further exploration, let's not forget about Europa, Jupiter's icy moon. This intriguing world is thought to harbor a vast, salty ocean beneath its icy shell, an ocean that might be even larger than all of Earth's oceans combined. And where there's water, as we've learned, there could be life. NASA's Europa Clipper mission is set to launch in the 20s, and it's going to investigate whether Europa has the potential to support life. These missions, along with countless others, are a testament to our insatiable curiosity, our desire to push the boundaries of human knowledge and explore the great cosmic ocean that surrounds us. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and with each new discovery, we inch closer to understanding our place among the stars. Wow, NASA is on a roll. These discoveries are not just rewriting textbooks, they're rewriting our understanding of the universe and our place in it. From the building blocks of life on distant asteroids to the possibility of ancient oceans on Mars, it's clear that we're living in a golden age of space exploration. If these discoveries have ignited your sense of wonder, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more mind-blowing content from the cosmos. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an update from Rediscovery.